Welcome back, students. Now we are discussing OpenOffice from the 6th chapter. In previous video, we have discussed how to leave spaces, line spaces between various lines in a paragraph. So this is one of the subtopic from paragraph formatting. In this video, we are going to see another subtopic from paragraph formatting, that is indenting text. Indent. Indent is the distance from the left and right margin of a paragraph. It is used to improve the efficiency and readability of the paragraph, and indenting makes the paragraph to look more effective to the reader. It is very easy to apply indent to any paragraph for the first line of the text. For that, we have to move the insertion point to the beginning of the line, that is beginning of the paragraph, and then we simply press the tab key from the keyboard. Automatically that paragraph is indented, that is the first line of the paragraph will be indented. There are 4 types of indents available in OpenOffice Writer. They are left indent, right indent, first line indent and hanging indent. In this video, we are going to discuss all these 4 types of indentation in brief. First one is left indent. Left indent controls the space between the paragraph and the left margin in a document. It is also called as default indentation. Left indent can be applied to the paragraph either by using icon or by using a dialog box. This icon is called as increase indent icon. This icon is used to apply left indent to a paragraph. See here, the icon which is displayed in this picture is called as increase indent icon. From the blue color right arrow, you can easily identify this icon. This icon is used to apply left indent. For each and every click, the paragraph moves half inch away from the left margin. We may click this icon any number of times. The left indent can also be applied by using dialog box. To do that, first of all, we have to select the paragraph and then we will move to the menu bar and then choose format menu. From the format menu, we have to choose paragraph. Now, paragraph dialog box will be open in our screen. It consists of various tabs. Among various tabs, we have to choose indents and spacing tab. This tab is also used to apply line spacing. So click indents and spacing tab. In that, the first option is indent. It displays 2 different options. One is before text and after text. To apply left indent, we have to click before text. There is a spin box at the right side of your before text. So it is highlighted with the red color here. So in that we have to enter value. So we have to enter positive value, any number of value from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So when we click the increase indent icon, a paragraph is indented by half inch. So if we give dot 50, it will indented by half inch. Otherwise, we may also give any values in centimeter or inches by using the spin arrows. So this box is called as spin box. In that we have to enter some numbers to apply left indent to our paragraph. See this picture. This picture consists of 4 paragraphs. The first paragraph is started at the left border. So when we click the left indent icon, that is increase indent icon one time, it is automatically moved towards half inch away from the left margin. When we click the same icon again the same paragraph is moved from the left margin once again half inch. See here, the The arrow mark is indicating the left intent. I click the indent icon 3 times. See the fourth paragraph. It is 3 times away from the left margin. That is 3.5 inch. When I click the increase indent icon first time, the paragraph is moved half inch away from the left margin. When I click the same icon again, now the paragraph is moved 1 inch away from the left margin. See the fourth paragraph. For that I click the same icon again, that is third time. Now the paragraph is moved 1.5 inch from the margin, left margin. So we can apply left indent either by clicking the icon from the toolbar or by using dialog box, paragraph dialog box. So in that paragraph dialog box we have to enter 1.5 inches to move the paragraphs from 1.5 inch from the left margin. For that we have to use before text option. Right indent is the second type of indentation. The right indent controls the space between the paragraph and the right margin. Each click on the decrease indent icon removes the indent applied by the increase indent. There are two indent icon available in formatting toolbar. One is increase indent icon, another one is decrease indent icon. Increase indent icon is used to apply left indent to the paragraph, whereas decrease indent icon is used to apply right indent to the paragraph. See this arrow, blue color arrow, it is a left arrow. By clicking this, it decreases the indent. So after clicking the increase indent icon, the paragraph is moved half inch away from the left margin. So by clicking this icon again, the paragraph is once again move away from the left margin by half inches. If you want to decrease the indent, again we have to click the decrease indent icons. If I click the decrease indent icon, now the paragraph is moved from the left margin half inch. Likewise, it will decreases the indent which is already applied by increase indent icon. See this picture. So in that it is already indented by left margin. So after clicking the decrease indent icon, once again the paragraph is moved towards the left margin. That is, it is moved away from the right margin and moves towards the left margin. See the second paragraph. So in that I click the right indent icon, that is decrease indent icon. Once again half inch is removed from the right margin. We may also apply right indent icon using paragraph dialog box. For that we have to choose paragraph option from the format menu. It will display the dialog box. From the dialog box we have to choose indents and spacing tab. In that two options are available. One is before text, another one is after text. To apply right indent we have to select after text. In that spin box, we have to enter the value for removing the indent from the paragraph. Third type of indent is first line indent. The first line indentation indents the first line of the paragraph instead of indenting the entire paragraph. We have already discussed about first line indent in the beginning of this topic. For that, we just move the insertion point to the beginning of the paragraph, that is first line, and simply by pressing the tab key, the first line of the paragraph will be indented by half inch. Instead of that, we may use first line indent by using paragraph dialog box. First line indent is the most common way to start a new paragraph. Let us see how we will apply first line indent in a paragraph. For that we have to open paragraph dialog box. To do that we have to click format menu, then we will choose paragraph submenu. So in paragraph dialog box, we have to click indents and spacing tab. In that, 3 options are already available. We have seen one is before text, it is used for left indent option. Another one is after text, it is used for right indent. Choose the third option, first line. It is highlighted with red color here. So in that spin box, we have to enter number. We should give only positive number in this spin box. Then only the first line of the paragraph will be indented. After that, we should click OK button. See this picture consists of 2 paragraphs. The first paragraph is without indentation. So all the lines are near the left margin. See the second paragraph. So in the second paragraph, I applied first line indentation. So the first line of the paragraph only moves ½ inch away from the left margin. So in this way, we will apply 4 types of indent icon. We have seen 3. Let us see the last one. The last type of indentation is hanging indent. This is entirely different from the 3 indentation. So this is a special kind of indent where the first line of the paragraph along hangs outside, leaving the rest of the text, which means the first line is moved away from the border of the left margin. To apply hanging indent, we should give negative value in the spin box of first line option. To do that, again we have to open paragraph dialog box by choosing format menu, paragraph option. In that, again we have to click indents and spacing tab. In that, we have to select the third option, first line from the indent group. In the first line spin box, instead of entering the positive value, we have to enter the negative value. It may be any number which starts with minus. After pressing the OK button, the paragraph is entirely move away from the left margin, that is outside the margin. See this picture, the arrow mark indicates the hanging indent icon. The paragraph is move away from the left margin. It displays outside the margin. So this is the way of placing the text in a hanging way. Before closing this session, I want to give a small recall of what we have studied in these 2 videos. First, we have studied line spacing. It is one of the subtopic under paragraph formatting. With this option, we may give vertical space between lines. There are 7 different line spacing options available in OpenOffice Writer. After selecting the entire document, we may apply any one of these line spacing options. Then we have studied indentation. Indent is the distance from the left and right margin of the paragraph. It is used to improve the efficiency and readability of the paragraph to the reader. There are 4 types of indents in OpenOffice Writer. They are left indent, right indent, first line indent, hanging indent. Left indent and right indent can be applied either by using icons or by using paragraph dialog box. First line indent and hanging indent will be applied by using paragraph dialog box. For line spacing and indentation, we have to open paragraph dialog box and then we have to choose indents and spacing options. Indents, spacing, line spacing, all these options are available only in indents and spacing tab. Okay students, that's all about today's section. We will discuss another topic in next session. Until, take care. God bless you.